Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add your bank account or your credit card or debit card or any other payment method on Amazon. So what you need to do is go to the top right corner where you have your name. So let's click over here and then let's go to your payments. And this is the list of every payment method that you have saved so far. If you want to add a new payment method, then you can either press this button over here if you didn't add any payment method yet, or on the left side you can also find this option, and this one is the case especially if you already have a payment method and you want to add a new one. So let's click over here, and now you need to choose the payment method. So you have a bunch of different options depending on what you want to use. For instance, if you want to use your credit or debit card, then of course you can click add a debit or credit card over here. And then what you need to do is add the card number, the name on the card, expiration date, and the security code. Over here on the right side you can also choose your bank, and you can link your card over here by using this button. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!